Hello everyone, myself Amulya. Today we will be discussing about the problem statement transformer based sentiment classifier by me and my teammates Vaishnavi Reddy, Srushti and Fatima Armine. The first slide, introduction. A sentiment classifier is a type of natural language processing model that automatically determines whether a piece of text expresses a positive or negative opinion. In this project, we use DistilBERT, a smaller and faster version of BERT bi-directional encoder representation from transformers. It is a pre-trained transformer model that understands the context of words in both directions, making it highly effective for text analysis. The goal of this project is to fine-tune DistilBERT on a sentiment dataset, evaluate performance, and compare it with a baseline model like TF-IDF with logistic regression. This approach can be used for analyzing movie reviews, product feedback, social media posts, and customer opinions, providing faster and more accurate sentiment detection compared to traditional methods. And the second slide, why sentiment analysis matters. The sentiment analysis is crucial because it allows business and organizations to automatically process massive amounts of text data from social media reviews, news, etc. It helps to understand public opinion, mood, and attitudes towards a specific topic, product, or service. It extracts insights that are critical in three main areas: business intelligence, political analysis, and the customer experience. The next slide, embedding Embedding converts words into numbers, vectors that capture their meaning, giving each word a unique numerical code. Then positional encoding adds information about the order of the words, giving each word a numbering tag, first, second, third, etc. Multi-ed self-attention, the core. It lets the model read the whole sentence and figure out what words are most relevant to each other. When you read the word, it your brain looks back to see what it refers to. The model does this for all words simultaneously in multiple ways. Feed forward refines and processes the information that come out of the attention step. The next slide will be continued by Fatima Armine.
I'm Fatima Arman. I'm discussing about DistilBERT. DistilBERT is a more efficient version of BERT that's designed to balance performance and computational requirements. The highlights about DistilBERT is it's called Distil version of BERT created through knowledge distillation. It has 6 transformer layers, half of BERT bases 12 layers. There's a 40% parameter reduction leading to faster inference. It retains 97% of BERT's performance, maintaining BERT's language understanding. This makes DistilBERT ideal for production environments where latency matters, like real-time sentiment analysis in customer service app. And the next slide. Data preprocessing pipeline. This image shows a data preprocessing pipeline for NLP task, which includes 4 key steps. First is tokenization, breaking text into smaller units called tokens, and second one is padding and truncation, standardizing sequence of lengths, attention masks, helping the model focus on relevant tokens, and the last one is label encoding, converting labels into numerical format. These steps prepare text data for machine learning models like DistilBERT.
Myself, Srushti, I'll be explaining fine-tuning strategy. Our fine-tuning process uses DistilBERT as the base model with a fully connected classification head to predict sentimental labels. We used across entropy loss for multiple class classification and the Adam W optimizer for stable and efficient convergence. The model was trained for about 2 to 5 epochs with a batch size of 16 to 32 samples and a learning rate. And a learning rate between 2E5 and 5E5. These approaches help the model adjust to our sentiment dataset while still keeping the strong language understanding from pre-training. Next slide. Model evaluation and transformer versus baseline. For evaluation, we used several metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, and a confusion matrix to get a complete performance picture. These metrics helps us check how well the model classifies each sentiment and whether any classes are being confused. When compared to traditional models like logistic regression, our transformer-based model performed much better, showing higher accuracy and stronger generalization in understanding text sentiment. Next will be continued by Vaishnavi.
Hi, I'm Vaishnavi K. Reddy. I'm explaining about the transformers versus a baseline performance. Uh, we have two models, that is logistic regression and the Bristol-Brad fine-tune. Here that for the logistic regression we have a 78 to 82% of accuracy, and Bristol-Brad fine-tuned as a 88.88 to 92%, and the F1 score is 0.80 for logistic regression, then 0.90. The key advantages are logistic regression is fast training and simple, and fine-tuned is captures context and reboot. We have a contextual understanding, transform the capture word relationship and the context, handling sentiment with irony, sarcasm, and complex emotional expressions that confuse the baseline of the model. Long range dependencies. Self attention mechanism enables the transformers to understand the sentiment expressed across the long sentences in a classical model to struggle behind the local uh, patterns. Data efficiency. Fine tuning is a pre trained model required significantly less labeled data than the trained from the scratch. Knowledge it takes a knowledge from billion of words during the pre-training, and we have a implementation workflow and best practices. Model selection: first we need to select the load the sequential sequence classification, and uh, corresponds the hugging phase of an transformer library with the pre-trained weights. Data pre-processing: here we pre-process the data and match sequence length, generate attention masses, encode the sentiment labels as integers. Fine tuning: train the model as a labeled sentiment dataset using a optimizer, learning rate schedule, cross entropy loss with the operated hyperparameters. Evaluation. Evaluation accesses the performance using accuracy class-wise F1 score with the confusion matrix, analyze the loss curve to detect the overfitting and the underfitting. And at last, we have a baseline comparison. Implement logistic regression with a TF-IDF feature as a baseline, comparing a performance matrix to quantify the transformer advantages. And the key takeaways are the fine-tuning pre-trained transformers like Distill Braid delivers the state of the art sentiment classification significantly overperforms the traditional ML baselines. The combination of an contextual understanding and efficient interface and the transfer learning makes transformers the preferred choice for modern NLP pipelines across the application, with the product review analysis to the social monitoring. Thank you.
So this program reads user reviews from a CSV file, runs them through a pre-trained transformer model DistilBERT, and predicts whether each review is positive or negative. Finally, it saves the results with confidence scores into a new CSV file. The first 8 lines are the libraries, handles tensors and runs the model. Pandas reads and processes the CSV file. The NumPy for numerical calculations. Transformers loads pre-trained DistilBERT model and tokenizer. So the model name in line number 9, model name which pre-trained model to load. Number labels to binary classification, whether it is positive or negative. The maximum length, each review will be truncated, padded to 128 tokens. The batch size, number of reviews processed together for speed. CSV file path, input CSV file name. The text column, the column in CSV containing text reviews. The line number 15 is a device selection, GPU or CPU. Automatically uses GPU if available, otherwise it uses the CPU. The line number 17 uses the load pre-trained Distilbert model and tokenizer. The purpose of it is loads Distilbert tokenizer, turns text to token IDs, loads Distilbert's model ready to predict the sentiments, moves to model to the device. If loading phase shows the error and exits. The line number 30, define dataset class for CSV reviews. The purpose of it is this custom dataset takes all reviews text and prepares them for the model, tokenizes each text into input IDs, attention mask, returns a dictionary for each review ready for the model. Then the line number 57, definition predict, which is used for prediction function. Create a dataset plus data loader batches of reviews, disable gradient calculations, then loop through batches, send inputs to device, then get model in outputs, logics, apply softmax, converts raw sources into probabilities, then store predictions plus confidence courses. And it had columns to data frame, predicted sentiments, which is positive or negative, then confidence negative, probability percentages, then return the updated data frame. The main program execution checks if the CSV file exists. Reading it uses tab separated, ensures that the column review exists, displays number of rows loaded, then exits gracefully with error message if anything goes wrong. Then this is used for run predictions and save the outputs. Calls the prediction function on your CSV data, saves the final results with predicted sentiment and confidence to a sentiment results CSV file, then prints a sample of the output in the terminal. For example, the review is like, I loved the movie, it was amazing. Predicted scale shows positive, and confidence percentage 3.45%. And the output for this code is when the user uploads a CSV file. For that CSV file, the output is predicted over here. The predicted sentiment, whether it is positive or negative, based on the text data, then confidence negative percentage and confidence positive. The code is process finished with exit code 0. Thank you.